Feeling financially squeezed in Canada and wondering if Fairstone could be your solution? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Fairstone, breaking down their loan options, who qualifies, and what to really expect from the borrowing experience. Fairstone offers a range of loans, including personal loans for debt consolidation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses, often ranging from $500 to $50,000. The specific loan amount available to you depends on your credit history and financial situation. Eligibility requirements generally include being a Canadian resident, meeting a minimum age requirement, usually 18 or 19 depending on the province, and demonstrating a stable income. Be prepared to provide proof of income, identification, and banking information. Now, let's talk about interest rates. Fairstone's rates are typically higher than those offered by traditional banks, reflecting the higher risk they take lending to individuals with varying credit scores. These rates can vary significantly based on your creditworthiness and the loan terms. Always compare their rates with other lenders before committing. The overall borrowing experience involves an initial application, a credit check, and a review of your financial situation. If approved, you'll receive the loan terms and conditions, including the repayment schedule. Carefully review these terms before signing. So, is Fairstone the right choice for you? It can be a helpful option for those with less perfect credit who need access to funds, but remember to carefully weigh the pros and cons, understand the interest rates, and ensure you can comfortably manage the repayments. Do your research and choose wisely.